Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I do deep dives into business and productivity software to help you make smarter decisions. And today, you're diving deep into one of the most talked about cloud accounting tools out there, which is known as Xero. Whether you're a small business owner, or a freelancer, or an accountant trying to modernize your workflow, this review is going to cover everything you need to know, from features and performance to pricing and support. Now, let's get into it. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed primarily for small to mid-sized businesses, accountants, and bookkeepers. Its main goal is to simplify everyday business finances, uh, which includes invoicing, payroll, bank reconciliation, and reporting, all in one clean online interface. So whether you're running a solo freelance gig or managing a growing team, Xero aims to streamline financial tasks and give you real-time visibility into your cash flow. Okay, so to get started, we are going to touch on the features, but let's check out the user interface and user experience. Xero's interface is clean, intuitive, and I dare to say pleasant. The dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of your financials, including bank balances, invoices owned, invoices owed, and bills due, all customizable. Navigating through the menus is straightforward, as you can see. This menu, you can easily see the solutions that Xero offers under the features menu, which are Xero Accounting app, pay bills, claim expenses, set payment, um, track project. So navigating through the menus is straightforward. It does a good job of not overwhelming you with too many options upfront, but everything is accessible within a few clicks. I mean, as you can see, within a few clicks, you get to see details about a particular menu you click on, right? Click on for accountants or bookkeepers, you get to immediately get the details um, about the menu. That said, for absolute beginners with no accounting background, there might be a slight learning curve, especially around setting up charts of accounts or configuring payroll. But once you get the hang of it, it is smooth scaling. So right now we are going to look at the features and capabilities of Xero, software. So let's start with invoicing and billing. If you click on see Xero features, you get to see other features that Xero offers. Okay, so you see asset payment, online invoicing, back connections, and the rest. So right now I want to discuss the invoicing and billing. Invoicing and billing creates branded professional invoices in minutes. You can even set automatic reminders for late payment. That is it for the invoicing and billing. Then for bank reconciliation, this is where Xero shines. Okay, this particular one, bank reconciliation, it connects directly to your bank, pulls in transactions, and uses machine learning to match them to your books. Also, there's another feature, payroll. Uh, Payroll is actually available in select countries. So as for this payroll, it manages employee payments, taxes, and filings. Another feature is inventory tracking. Yearly tracking for businesses that sell physical products. So if you are uh, a business owner, let's say you're into e-commerce, right? This particular option is a good deal for you. This particular feature is a good deal for you. Xero offers inventory tracking for businesses that sell physical products. Then another feature is real-time reporting. Financial reports like profits and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements are auto-generated and always up to date. Then another feature is multi-currency accounting. For this particular feature, it is great for international businesses. So if you know that now here they say seamlessly manage multiple currencies with Xero's versatile accounting software for global business operations. So if your business is not limited to a particular country, let's say you run businesses in other countries, this particular feature is great for you. So that is it on some of the features of Xero. Let's talk about the performance and reliability. During my testing, Xero ran smoothly on both web and mobile. Pages load quickly, syncing is near instant, and I didn't experience any crashes or bugs. As you can see, the moment you tap or you click on any uh, feature or function, you get to display almost immediately, right? So it's also scalable whether you are managing 20 transactions a month or 2000. It handles every task with ease. So that is it for the performance and reliability. Then for integration and compatibility, Xero integrates with over 1000 third-party apps. Yes, you heard me right, 1000, including Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, Gusto, and HubSpot. There is even an open API for developers wanting to build custom integration. It's available on all major platforms as well, be it Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and of course, fully accessible via browser, just like um, the one I'm exploring is currently from the web, right? So let's discuss the pricing. So for the pricing, they have different um, pricing plans. They have the starter, standard, and premium. As for the starter, is for basic functionality, limited invoices, and bills. You know, if you're going for the starter, you can you get so um, you get this option: reconcile bank transaction, capture bills and receipt with HubDoc, short-term cash flow, and business snapshot. So the feature for starter is limited, right? And as for standard, which is most popular, um, it is it has unlimited invoices and bills, and also bulk reconciliation. So as you can see here, send invoices and quotes, it is marked. Enter bills, it is marked, right? Then bank reconciliation transactions is marked as well. Then for the premium, it adds multi-currency support and advanced analytics. So here, use multiple currencies, right? It is marked, and that is it. So there is no free plan, but they do offer a 30-day free trial. So if you are considering to go for Xero and you are not sure if you should splash your money on it, they do offer um, 30-day free trial. As you can see from here, try Xero for free. So That is it. Pricing starts at around, for starter, I say usually it is $29, but now you can get it for $2.90 per month. And for standard, you can get it for $4.60. Then for premium, $6.90. So that is about $2 difference. There's no hidden fees. Now let's talk about the support and the community. If you over here on support, you click on support, you get to see that on Xero you can get support. They have a community as well. Xero product training, they offer training, they offer guides, accounting, free templates, and the calculators. Yeah. Um, Also, Xero offers 24/7 online support, as you can see from here. 24/7 online support. No phone calls, but responses are generally quick and helpful. The Help Center is packed with step-by-step guides and video tutorials. Yeah, as I've shown you before. From here, you can get a tutorial on how to navigate through Xero. There is also a strong user community, which is known as Xero community, especially among accountants and small business owners. You will find active discussions in Xero Central and Xero certified advisors who specialize in Xero setups. Okay, so that is it for the supporting community. And let's talk about the security. On the security front, Xero takes things seriously. Data is encrypted using industry standard TLS protocols, and they offer two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Their servers are hosted with top-tier providers, and they've got solid disaster recovery procedures in place. So the data is in safe hands. So now let's touch on the advantages and disadvantages of Xero. Number one thing about the advantages of Xero is that it has a clean and intuitive user interface, right? So number two, unlimited users on all plans. Okay, unlimited users on all plans. There is no limitation on any plan as to what number of users. Okay, and it has strong bank reconciliation. It has excellent third-party integrations, and lastly, it has real-time financial reporting. Then for the disadvantages, number one, there is no free plan. There is no free plan, but you can get a 30-day free trial. Okay. The starter plan limits can be restrictive. Like the starter plan is so restrictive. You only have like three options. You can only get three features with the starter plan. Then payroll is only available in some countries. Okay, and there is no phone support for for Xero. So on a final note, the question is, should you use it? Should you use Xero? If you're a small to mid-sized business looking for a robust cloud-based accounting software with real-time insight, smooth, let's say you want smooth integrations and powerful reconciliation, Xero is a top contender, right? And it's especially great for growing teams, freelancers, and service-based businesses that need to track financials without hiring a full-time accountant. If you're just starting out and you need a totally free solution, you might want to explore Wave or Xero Books as alternatives. Like if you don't have much to spend, on accounting software, then you might want to consider Wave or Xero Books. Then for Wave, I've done a review on that, and I'm also going to do a review on Xero Books as well. But personally, I found Xero to be reliable, intelligent, and thoughtful design. It is one of the few tools that make accounting feel less like a chore. That wraps up this deep dive into Xero. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth software reviews every week. Have you got any questions or want me to compare Xero with something else? Drop a comment below. I will see you in the next video.